this is a pretty cool superpower lamp. Whoops. It was never there. Oh, hey, Luke. Oh, hey, Zachary. Where's the lid to the superpower lamp? Oh, it never had one. You just must have been looking at it wrong. I'm pretty sure it did. Well, you see, maybe it just fell off sometime and we didn't know about it. Well, I guess. Oh, I forgot to show you. These are so cool. What are they? These are superpower oils that me and Nathan created by mixing cereal, water, and pickles, and tomatoes, and millions of other ingredients that are not necessary. What? It's pretty bad. They taste really bad too, but they're worth it for the superpowers. This one gives you super speed. This one gives you super breath. This one gives you super strength. This one gives you super sight. But this one slows everything down. So don't put this in the superpower lamp where everything goes slow, or whatever it zaps, I guess. Okay, then why did we even get this? Well, turns out tomatoes, milk, and water make a pretty terrible superpower. But why does it say lemon on it? You don't want to know. Anyway, which one do you want to do first? I mean, we did super speed last time, and why don't we have a race? Let's do this one. Oh man. Why does that always hit us? I don't know. Hey, wait for me.
Huh, what's in here? Oh, well. Oh, tasty. Tasty. Destroy it. Destroy the universe. Meanwhile, I'm gonna win. No, I'm gonna win. No, it's gonna be me. I'm catching up.
I'm gonna win. No, I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
It's me. It's me. No, get out of my way. No, yes, I'm gonna win. Well, I guess slow and steady does win the race.
Hey, wait for me. Nah, man.
What on? I'll go check the bathroom. I'll go check our room. Oh my goodness! Gracious, what could have caused this mess? Luke, the bathroom's fine. What happened here? I don't know. Wait a sec. The oils. Look. The super strength oil. It must have gotten spilled when we ran out the door. And Ellie must have drank it. Oh my goodness, it's such a big... Oh no! Ugh. Oh no, we spilled it! No!
I can't understand this. Oh no, it's too late. We're already slow.
Oh no! Ah!
I can't understand this. I'm so slow. We have to get to Ellie. Oh no. I don't know how to fix this. No, that's a bad idea. It is?
Luke, I'm not slow anymore! But we don't have our powers anymore. Ellie! Wait, if every oil makes you lose powers, then we can put every oil in the rocket launcher and blast Ellie. Wait, what rocket launchers? Follow me. I don't think we have rocket launchers, Zachary. Trust me, we do. Behold, the rocket launchers. All I see is a black bag. Don't judge a book by its cover. Same goes for a rocket launcher by its packaging. Here we are. Behold, the rocket launchers. Okay. They need some assembly. So,
Sometime later.
how does this go in? Take the fusion emitter, put it here. Ugh. Goodness. Now, these have such power that you might want to be careful with. They have such power, so be careful. Come on. Ellie's outside. Let's go. Oh, there she is. Let's go. Now, this looks like a good place to fire and do some target practice. All right, first things first. Hold it in your right hand. Prop it on your shoulder, adjust the fusion emitter, add the dialogue, and make the measure as long as you want. Add the transmission to
I know how to make this stuff,
Make
but I
110
don't make it,
centimeters.
so I don't know how to work this.
What are you doing?
No, Luke, that's a bad idea.
Oh, I'm sorry, Zachary. It's fine. Let's just do it right this time, okay?
There's Ellie. No, Luke, that's a bad idea.
Oh no! I'm gonna have to get a rocket launcher. I'm gonna have to use Luke's. That sure was a long day. Yeah. Hey, now we can put the oil in here and get our super speed back. Yeah. Finally, I won the race. Oh yeah. Why is the drawer shaking? You're a liar! Sorry. Hey guys! Thank you for watching Cut Your Kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And Ellie is okay. Don't worry. She got put back to normal. Bye guys!